Hi guys, today's videos is about how to install our Cognito Edge device into Tata Tipper truck. So first of all, we have to find the fuse box. So the fuse box is here. Open the screws, take the dam bracket out, and after that we have to set a multimeter in a DC voltage, and then have to check for black for earthing or ground purpose, and red one for battery power supply, direct power supply. So it's showing 24 volt. Okay, and the second supply which we'll find about the ignition one. After your key is on, a certain voltage supply will start. It will be about 24 volt. So I've already on the ignition wire, hence my wiring voltage is 24. Okay, this is the wiring of our device. It has 4 output wire. We are only needing 3 wires: red, black and yellow. Red one is for battery power supply, black is for earthing or ground, and yellow is for ignition wire. Okay, so we start our wiring. So I am giving this connection from the fuse box. First I have to strip the wires. These are done. It's very easy to handle. Okay, the second thing which I will do is give the ground connection. So ground has been connected. Now for the power supply. And now the last supply is ignition cable. So these were the 3 power supply. now to connect GSM antenna to its slot, it's like this. It's connected. Same goes for GPS antenna. Like this, it's connected. And now the wiring which I have done, we just have to plug it. And if the connection is ready and okay, the light will come on. Okay. And now we will fix this device. So for safety purpose, I am using a plastic wrapper. And one thing more, before installing device, just send the IMEI number of the device to us so we can configure it to your vehicle. Okay. Just leave the device for 5 minutes so it should catch GSM network properly. This is the magnetic antenna. You can place it anywhere. So I will just place it here. You can see it's connected. And about the wiring which I have done, I will just tie it up so it won't lose. Now I shall cover the package. So wiring is done and I just have to place the device. You can place the device anywhere. In my case, I am putting this all to here. rest wire can also be plugged anywhere, but you have to use tie. So patch all the wirings, fix with tie. Cut the extra cable. And you can see installation is done. Device का button on करेगा था. Device का button on करे. Device का button कहाँ है? And you can see device is installed now. Okay, so thank you for watching.